JET 17-inch drill press features a full 5-inch spindle travel, a sturdy cast iron head with a poly V-belt drive system, making it designed to perform. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to drill holes all the way through a board. Begin by installing your desired drill bit for the project you're working on. Raise the table to your desired height and lock it in place. Since we're through boring, be sure to remove the table insert and position so that the bit will go through the center of the table. Turn the table light and the laser on. Clamp your material in place to properly secure it to the table. Line your board up with the drill area and lower the downfeed handle to drill through the desired depth. Once complete, turn the machine off. Learn more about the JET 17-inch drill press on our website. And don't forget, your tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.